Let's take a look at this problem. Matthew plans to hike 91 miles in 13 days, hiking the same number of miles on each day. How many miles does Matthew plan to hike each day? All right, so we know that Matthew is overall going to hike 91 miles. That was his plan, right? And he wants to break that into equal parts for 13 days. So we need to set up a division problem. So here we go. Our dividend's going to be 91. Our divisor is going to be 13. All right, and our quotient will answer the question of how many miles does Matthew plan to hike each day? All right, let's start out and say, can we put 13 into 9? No, we can't do that. So let's put 13 into 91. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know my 13 facts off the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list them down the side here just to help me run through my problem smoother. Okay, so 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2 is 26. And I might have to do some work down here. 13 times 3, let's do this, is 939. Okay. 13 times, let me erase some of this just so we don't get confused. 13 times 4 is going to give me 12. Carry my 1, 4, 5, 52. All right, 52. Okay, 13 times 5 and that's 15. 5, 6 is 65. Now we don't have to list all of the multiples of 13. I am just doing it so that we can show, I can kind of show my thought process too. Okay, so 13 times 6, this is going to be 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus my 1 is 78. We're getting closer, aren't we? Okay. Let's do 13 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 13 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry my 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus my 2 is 9. Oh, looky there, is 91. Okay, now let me clean this up a little bit. And I'm actually going to stop there because I'm going to compare my dividend to my multiples of 13. Do you see something? 91 and 91. So 13 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put 7 up here. 13 times 7 is 91. All right. So we divided, we multiplied, we're going to subtract. 1 minus 1, 9 minus 9, we are at 0. So we can say that Matthew will hike 7 miles per day. And that's how we answer the problem.